guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my spicy jerk chicken wings. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken wing and I'm not using a lot. As you can see, I also went ahead and washed and cleaned my chicken wing. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning and some black pepper. I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper and I also have a small amount of vegetable oil. So I'm gonna go in and pour a small amount of the vegetable oil over the chicken wing. And if you guys have olive oil, you can always go in and pour the olive oil, a small amount, over the chicken wings. That will prevent it from dry out when you put it in the oven. I also went ahead and add the all-purpose seasoning, the chicken seasoning and the black pepper over the wings, and I also went in and add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, so after I finish seasoning my chicken wings, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for roughly about half hour to an hour. Then I will come back and make the sauce with you guys for my chicken wings. All right, and just to note, if you guys realize I didn't use any salt in most of my recipes, I do not like to use salt, but I recommend that you guys go ahead and use salt. And most of the seasoning that I use already contains salt, and so therefore I don't need to use any salt. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and put my chicken wings in the oven. So I'm gonna bake this for roughly about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. And please note that I also preheated my oven at 250 degrees, and I'm gonna bake this for 20 minutes as I said before, and come back and show you guys what it looks like. And I will also go ahead and make the sauce for my chicken wings. All right, so stay tuned for that. So now it's time to go ahead and make the sauce for my chicken wings. All right, so the same dish that I seasoned my chicken wing in, I'm gonna go in and add some jerk seasoning, and this is the mild jerk seasoning that I'm using. I will also go ahead and add some soy sauce, some ketchup, and also some brown sugar. I'm going to combine everything together. Then we're going to go over on the stove and just to eat up the sauce a little. And guys, just to note, if it's a little bit too thick, you can go in and add a small amount of water. Always taste, all right, to see if it is the right consistency that you're looking for and the taste is okay, just in case it needs something else. All right, so this is the sauce. So after 20 minutes, this is what my wings looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over on the other side. Then I'm gonna finish preparing the sauce for my wings. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I'm gonna do with both the sauce and the wings. All right, so I'm gonna place it back in the oven until I'm finished making the sauce. So now it's time to go ahead and just eat up the sauce. So as you all know, I went ahead and prepared the sauce already. And as I told you all, I'm going to go ahead and just eat it up a bit. And of course, we want to get all of that out of the basin, so I tip a little bit of water in it. So this is what my sauce looks like, really tasty and nice. So once it's finished, I leave this on the stove for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. So once I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and place my wings in the sauce and show you guys what it looks like. All right, So now it's time to go ahead and place my wings in the sauce. And guys, just to note, this recipe took me about 30 to 35 minutes. Really easy and simple. As you can see, I didn't use a lot of wings. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat my wings in the sauce, and then I'm going to place it back in the Pyrex dish and place it back in the oven for roughly another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. And remember, you guys can go ahead and serve up your wings with some mashed potatoes. You can also serve it up with some stir-fried vegetables, or you can just go ahead and have it with some lettuce like I did. Or if you don't want that, you can always go ahead and fry some French fries. Alright, really easy and simple, and the kids will love this one. Alright, so you always want to ensure that your wings is coated properly. So I'm going to place them back in the Pyrex dish. Place it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product, alright, of my spicy jerk wings. So guys, this is the final product of my spicy jerk wings. I'm going to serve this up and show you guys the final product in a minute. So I'm going to serve this up with some lettuce, some fresh lettuce that I got from downtown Kingston, sorry. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my spicy jerk wings. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. I hope you guys turn on your post notification bell, and I hope you guys already subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.